Hello guys! Welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to use ChatGPT for astronomy. As an AI language model, ChatGPT can assist with a variety of astronomy-related questions and tasks. Here are some ways to use ChatGPT for astronomy. Ask questions about astronomical objects and phenomena. You can ask ChatGPT about the properties and characteristics of various astronomical objects such as stars, planets, galaxies, and black holes. For examples, you can ask what is the temperature of the surface of the sun, or how do black holes form. Get help with astronomy calculation. ChatGPT can help with calculations related to astronomy, such as determining the distance between two celestial objects or calculating the orbital period of a planet. Simply provide ChatGPT with necessary parameters and it will provide you with the answers. Stay up to date with the latest astronomy news. ChatGPT can help you keep up with the latest astronomy news and discoveries. You can ask ChatGPT for information about recent astronomical events, such as supernovae or planet discoveries. Learn more about astronomy concepts. ChatGPT can help you learn about various astronomy concepts such as formation of the solar system, the life cycle of stars, or the structure of the universe. Simply ask ChatGPT to explain a specific concept and it will provide you with a detailed answer. Overall, ChatGPT can be a helpful resource for a wide range of astronomy-related questions and tasks. Just remember that it is an AI language model and not a human expert. So, its responses may not be always be perfect or complete. So, that's it. I hope that you learned something and this video helps. And if you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below and make sure to subscribe and like to our channel. Thanks!